Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's Race and Resto. Morris update. We have a good one. So a gentleman by the name of Bob. Bob, you're a legend. Thank you for your time today. Has sold us what is essentially an 1100 with, hold on, let's get the torch. You need to see this. So what we have here is we have an 1100. Look at the size of this port. That's a 295 head. That's a 12G 295. It's in great condition. This has a Morris rocker cover because an old boy that used to own it had it in a Morris. Yeah. So now we have ourselves supposedly a big crank Sprite 1100. We'll find out once we get apart. Twin. 1 1/4 SUs we probably won't use because we have the Weber on its way back from Sydney. Now I did have these. Now these are real tasty. Look at this. Have a look at them headers. Power pipe, like a power bulge. Nice merge. So what I might do is I might actually try to use these. But what I might do is I might actually do a merge collector here. So we'll run them all the way down to where they are and we'll step it up to the exhaust size that's on there now. So we'll find out anyway. But has flywheel clutch and a 12G 295. So to give you an idea on the cylinder head, right. Let's see if we can get this brighter. No. It's hard to see. Might have to, there we go. We'll go like that. Right. See the size of that cylinder head? Right, check this out. This is a 12G 202. And that's a good size head. Now this is what was on the engine. This will give you an idea why it made no power. That is literally size of my thumb. Oh, looks bigger when you put it there. All right, this one's bigger. The 12G 202 is more desirable. That's actually larger because of the squared off intake, and you can port that further. But this sucker, this 295, is literally like a 1275 head. She's carnivorous. So yeah. So we'll get the 940 back. That's supposed to be coming back from Sydney. Zach's picking that up tomorrow. And sweet. Shit's happening. Oh, start the cleanup. We're doing something. Always good when there's some positive happening. So we'll get this apart. I'll take some videos of it in bits, and depending on whether or not this refund comes through complete or not, depends on what's going on top of this engine. We have some pistons and stuff all lined up, so once I get them and pick them up, I'll do some videos on that and let you know how we go with machining and time frame. That's the next thing. Time frame is going to be the big issue here. Thanks, guys. Have a lovely day.